Hello there, what weather details. Right now we have a slight risk of severe weather tonight, an enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow, and on day 3 as well we have another slight risk. So, right now we're seeing a tornado warning in California, along with a severe thunderstorm warning. Right now we have a supercell, surprise supercell actually, 6 miles per hour with a quarter-size sail as possible, with radar, indicated rotation, quarter-size sail as possible. Pretty intricate to say the least. I was not really expecting it, but good to know. Heading off just north of Greensboro, we have another tornado warning just north. Some pretty broad rotation right now. It seems like if there was anything, probably was when it was first issued, and it's no longer appearing now. And we continue to see some more broad rotation. However, that we could be seeing something right around there. Is there any nearby radar? Nope, it isn't. So that's not good. And further up to the north, we have a severe thunderstorm warning associated with a QLCS right now. That's north of Wilmington. 6 miles per hour winds are possible. Actually, we need to take a look at these warnings. Again, areas of broad rotation is possible. It seems like we could be seeing again a nicely tornado or two. Probably will be a brief spin up. 6 miles per hour wind, quarter-size sail is possible. And with this one, 6 miles per hour winds and quarter-size sail is possible with that. Again, tomorrow we have an enhanced risk of severe weather. But going through it right now, we have a slight risk of severe weather across portions of the Mid-Atlantic right now. Main threats is for tornadoes, damaging winds, maybe some isolated large hail. Looking at tomorrow, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather across portions of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Main threats include a few tornadoes, scattered or even widespread damaging winds, and scattered to widespread large hail as well, potentially over 3 inches in diameter at times. Looking at day 3, we have another slight risk over the Gulf Coast across portions of Texas, southern Louisiana, and southern Mississippi. 15% probabilistic. So, yeah, let's move on. Right now, looking at the North Atlantic right now. Again, associated with that potential nor'easter over that's going to develop just off the coast of the New England and the Northeast, has a 0% chance of developing next 40 hours, 40% next 5 days. Rick made landfall earlier this morning and is now a tropical depression, and right now expected to dissipate very soon. Looking at the Central Pacific, nothing is expected. Looking at UTWC's outlook right now, we have, I'm going to butcher his name. We have Tropical Storm Malu. I pronounced that terribly. Right now, current winds around 40 knots, expected to continue off to the north and head off to the northeast, peaking with winds around 80 miles per hour before weakening back down to a tropical storm by the time it's the 29th. Also, looking at 99W, has a high chance of developing in the next 24 hours. So really, apart from that, that's really it. Still an active period expected. And yeah, goodbye.